really easy. Again, use the tape. I've ripped it down to size. You can just rip it if you like. You don't need to cut it with scissors, but you'll find if you do use scissors on it, it doesn't stick to the blades, which is magic. I don't know how it does it.
I wonder why.
It's really, really clever. So I've taken an aperture here, and then what I'm going to do is just stick that acetate clean on top. Really, really easy on the opposite side to create that bubble card effect. Really simple. So I want it to stick perfectly, but I may change my mind. So I may not want it there anymore. That's okay. You can just take it off. Brilliant,
Fabulous.
isn't it?
Yes.
Straight over onto an aperture that I've already pre-cut. You can see there, I didn't like where it was sitting, so I've repositioned it.
But this is where beginner crafters are going to really reap the benefits, isn't it?
Definitely.
Or anyone like me, when you think, yep, that's the place, and then you go, no, that's not the
I've
place.
changed my mind.
I don't want it there.
So again, I've taken a die cut. I'm going to stick that straight on top of the acetate, but then still it's repositionable.
So if you decide against that, you can reposition it.
Look at that. How
Perfect.
easy is that?
Easy peasy.
Isn't it? Super easy.